this lesson, I will discuss about different application environment available inside this NX. When you will create any model file, you will find one environment. When you will create a drawing file, you will find different environment. So if you want, you can change this application. So inside the NX, first I will create a new file so that you will understand better. I will create new. And inside the NX, there are many different format is available, many different template is available, because inside the NX we are using just only one format, which is .prt, and all are format. If I create model, I will get one environment. If I create sheet metal, I will get another environment. Also, if I create the drawing or simulation or manufacturing, inspection, anything if I create, I will get different environment. Let's say I will create my model environment with this model template. Now I am getting this environment. Inside this role, if I select some standard role, let's say if I select role essential, now this is the environment I am getting. All the tools you are seeing inside this home tab, this is for creating some model. Let's say if I create a new file with this sheet metal, now inside this home you will see this tool set is completely different. 80% tool is new because I want to create some sheet metal part. Now if I try to create a drawing file with this drawing template, here we can see inside this home tab, this tools is completely different. Now tools is different based on this template. Model, assembly, shape studio, sheet metal, based on this template, my tool set is completely different. Now how do I change it? Let's say I will create a model. Inside this model template, I have to use this tool. After making this model, I want to transfer my model to the sheet metal part. In that case, I have to activate my sheet metal tool. Now, how do I activate it? So I have to go to the N tab, which is called application tab. If I go to this N tab, inside this application tab, there are many different options available. Here you can see this is drafting, this is sheet metal. If I select this sheet metal, now inside this home tab, 80% tools is changed, because now I want to transfer my model to the sheet metal part and I want to work with sheet metal tool, which is you can see from here. When I am done, I want to create a drawing from this part file. So in that case, I will go to application, I will select drafting. Now inside this home tab, I will get all drafting tool inside this. So this is how you can change your application. So you can change your application from here. If you work with modeling, you have to select it. If you want to work with drawing, you have to work with drafting. If you want to active your assembly is completely different tab. It will not customize inside this home. If I active this assemblies, you will see this for this assembly, this tab is completely separate, and inside this assemblies there are many different tools available which is related to assembly. If you want to work with manufacturing or machine tool builder or advanced simulation, or from here design, many different application is available. Let's say you want to create some mold design. In that case, I will activate and I will see this mold wizard tab is completely separate. So when you will create some new part, let's say I am creating one drawing file. Now I am thinking, okay, I created my drawing file, but I will not create the drawing. Inside this file, I want to create a model first. So in that case, I will go to application. I will change my application to modeling. Now in the same file, I can make some model. So if you want to change your environment, change it from this application tab.